Hello everybody!
Okay, so today I decided to have an entire day off of social media. One entire day with no Facebook, no Twitter, no YouTube. I know, right? Because we all know how easy it is to just sit there and just scroll and scroll and scroll. And I just thought, just one day, I'm going to take back control of my mind. And I'm going to have a day just purely for me to see what work I can get done or what adventure I can get up to. Just one freaking day to not be controlled by social media. So yeah, as per normal, not got any work done, but went on one hell of an adventure. Check this out. So today mostly go Leafs for a start.
Well hey.
And also go Newcastle on my shirt. Covering all aspects today. So what are we doing today, Cran? Do tell.
Going to the post office.
Oh, that's exciting. Tell them what we're doing after that.
Going to ikea.
Going to IKEA. The excitement of my day never ends. So this is Cran's package.
Woohoo!
And then my package looks like this. I'll put an hole in my bag now. Cran, do a slug face. Look, slug face. Slug face. Go on. No, suck your chin. You've got to suck your chin in.
Oh, I can't do that while I'm concentrating.
You suck.
I've got to throw more of that. Have you been sticking posters up in here or not?
Yeah. I'm sticking my posters up in
Had
here.
something to do with it. I bet she hates you when you come.
She does hate
See
me.
how easy I had one parcel.
About 20 past 12 on Saturday.
Yeah. Oh yeah, just before you
17,000 items.
I'd just put a sign on and say you shut before she enters.
I'm desperately trying to look at this camera. I keep forgetting. I just want to look at the screen all the time. Screen, camera, screen, camera.
I don't know, but I'm thinking I might go get my car washed.
He's having a car wash. For anybody else's Yorkshire, that's wash. Car wash.
It's filthy.
What's happening? Oh, he's smooshing. Look, he's smooshing. He's coming to get me.
Yeah. There we go, look.
She's having a very good scrub. That's when he turns around and says, "That'll be £12,000, please."
It will be if I'm looking this car.
It's like my new living room. It's got price tags everywhere.
Oh, I took that out.
Can't stop filming.
You did it.
Ah, I love you too. Come on. Over one. Check that out. Yes, IKEA. Check that out. That is killer. I want one. It's like Star Wars sort of stuff, isn't it? Tune in next week for another exciting episode of Will We Find Our Way Out of IKEA?
Probably not.
Cran, tell everybody how many days we've been lost in here for now.
Alright.
I think they're trying to tell us which way to go. Look at her, completely lost. No idea where she's going. And she's started to feel everything in shop now. That's what IKEA does to you. Lost in the land of duvets. Here we have the lesser spotted shopper, completely and utterly knackered. She's been in here for weeks. Can't find her way out. We have been lost in the IKEA wilderness for days. Not got a clue what's happening anymore. Where the hell am I? How the hell do I get out of this store? She don't seem at all worried that we can't find his way out of here. Does this place never end?
Eventually.
Well, I think we finally figured his way out. Only problem we've got now is she can't find a car.
That air freshener's a bit funky.
I didn't think we were going to make it right out there, Cram.
Neither did I. It's like a boring maze.
I was about to like ring the police and stuff.
Why not? We're still got to get out of car park yet. Don't get too excited.
True. So that concludes our trip to IKEA. Thoughts, Cram? Don't shop in IKEA because you'll never find your way out. But shop in IKEA because they have loads of awesome stuff. I'll do it.
That would. But if you ever want to find your way out.
If you want to find your way out of that damn place again, take like satnav or something.
Time to negotiate the car park.
Let's do this. Say bye, Cran.
Bye.
Bye.